guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Judy, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so we can always share together. So today I am going to take off my old cornrows. They are about 8 weeks, so there's a lot of dirt in there, and I didn't wash them throughout the time because I was testing a new shampoo to see how long it was gonna take me to itch, but I did not itch at all, and there was no dandruff falling off. So I think I really like that shampoo. And well, I was not bothered. Usually I would wash them like every 2 weeks when I have my cornrows, but this time they did not bother me at all, so I stayed with it 2 weeks. 2 weeks, guys, so it's dirty. So if you're easily grossed out, this is the time to, you know, just go to the next video. But if you wanna see, let's see. So I usually wear wigs, so I'll put like cornrows in my, so I'll put like cornrows, and I will go for as long as I want to go with. That has helped my hair grow a lot, as you can see if you've been watching my previous videos. So as you can see, my hair is really growing, it's thriving. So cornrows and wigs are my protective styles. So let's take this off. So first I'm going to spray my hair with water so that it's more elastic, so that when I'm taking them off, hair is not easily breaking. I'm not putting a lot of water, just a little bit. And guys, don't laugh, but you know, with the restrictions that we have, I couldn't go to the store to get a spray bottle because my other spray bottle, I used it for bathroom cleaning detergent, and I didn't feel comfortable to wash it and use it on my hair. So I used this dish soap spray bottle that I had, and I liked its spray. It actually doesn't spray water, it mystifies it. Is that a word? It mystifies it, so it's like you can control how much water you want in your head. Like, just look at that, and it's like almost a continuous spray. So yeah, so no laughing, we use what we have. So now that it's damp enough, let's take these cornrows off. I had started taking them off one time so that it will be easier for me. You know how the ends are usually like tight. So I started taking off the tight ends, and I think it took too long to take them off, so those tangled. So I'm going to take off all the braid parts and then take off the cornrow part, because I don't feel like filling my head with hair while I'm doing all of them. Even though I've had this hair for like 8 weeks, I did not even oil it in between, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I did not even moisturize it while it was in that protective style for 8 weeks, cornrows. It still feels like really soft. I'm a very minimal person. I don't do much. I'm surprised it still feels soft. I know it's dry, yes, but I did not expect it to be, you know, this soft. And I'm sure you can like see. Yeah. So guys, my hair is like my scalp, not my hair, my scalp is like really dirty. And like I said, even though it's dirty, the shampoo I used last has really helped, because this time around my scalp was not itchy. I did not have to wash my hair in between wearing this protective styling. So I'm like really amazed. You know, sometimes it's just the shampoo. Sometimes you have to switch up those products and see what is not working. And if you've been watching this far, thank you. If you've not been disgusted so far and gone to throw up, thank you, because this is really normal, right? See that? Yeah. And my hair has really grown in the past couple of years. If you're interested to know what I do for my hair to grow, I will just put it down in the comments and I will be very honest. I'll show you everything that I use. Well, apart from protective styling, I don't like to manipulate my hair a lot, so usually I would wear protective styling. Usually it's still also cornrows for like 6 to 8 weeks before I actually take them off. So in 2 months my hair actually relaxes and grows, and when I wash it and put it right back into protective styling. I'm a wig person. Like, my hair is too much to wear. It's like just a little bit of humidity outside will get it tangled again, and I hate going outside with my hair and coming back and, you know, feeling terrible. Or now I have to detangle it and then do something with it before I even sleep. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? So I find it very convenient to just wear wigs. Why not? So look at all this dirt. Alright, so I'm not even going to attempt to detangle it today. That's not safe at all. So I'm just going to, you know, spray it with a little water and and add coconut oil, and then I will put my hair in a plastic bag. I would say plastic cap, but then I know it's not gonna fit in those small plastic caps, so I'm gonna put it in a plastic bag and sleep on it until tomorrow, and then I will detangle it tomorrow. That's how I detangle my hair. It's called Pre-poo. So I'm going to section it in not too tiny sections. So this is just organic virgin coconut oil that I've put here. I'm going to apply generously and then twist it loosely until tomorrow. Also, I like to, you know, put some on the scalp so that it loosens up the oil. You know, oil loosens oil, so when I'm going to wash it, it's going to, all the dirt will already have lifted and it will be easy for me to wash it off. So after that, I massage it a little bit, and then I'm going to put a plastic bag and let it sweat in there until tomorrow. I might come back tomorrow to show you how I detangle it after, and how it looks after, you know, pre-poo with the coconut oil. But if I don't, there is actually a video on my channel. If I don't come back, I will link it in the description box, so you can go and check it out and see the results that pre-pooing with coconut oil achieve. And yeah, but if I come back tomorrow, see you tomorrow. If I don't come back tomorrow, I love you guys, and subscribe and comment down below if there's any other things you'd like me to share with you. Let me know. So yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Catch you another time. Be safe wherever you are. Be safe, because I don't know, because you only have one life. So bye.